So I've been testing out the Lisuan LX7G100, and honestly, this one is interesting, but it's not perfect. On paper, it's a 2026 Chinese-built GPU with 12 GB of GDDR6 VRAM and support for modern APIs like DirectX 12. And the big claim is that it competes with cards like the RTX 4060. In real-world gaming, though, that's where things get mixed. Most AAA titles at 1080p run fine, and lighter games can actually hit really high FPS. But in heavier games, performance drops hard. You're looking at something closer to an older RTX 3060 or even below that in some cases. The good news is, stability is finally improving. Drivers are way better than past attempts from Chinese GPU makers. Less crashing, better compatibility, and smoother gameplay overall. But here's the catch. The price is around $480, which puts it directly against much faster NVIDIA and AMD cards. So my take? It's a promising first step, not a must-buy yet. If you value innovation, it's cool. If you want pure performance per dollar, look elsewhere.